I thought I'd share a few pictures from our potato harvest this year. We use an old horse-drawn potato plow, which works okay for the little amount we use it. And it was just me and Dad that picked these potatoes this year. And with all the rain, we actually had probably one of our largest amount of potatoes. So you'll see here they look pretty good, and we ended up filling both my flatbed wagon and my army trailer up with potatoes. So we're very thankful for the amount of potatoes we got. And we just kind of lay them out for the first week or so to dry, and then we end up putting them inside in the cool basement just to kind of keep them out of the sun. So I thought someone might like to see these and how they turned out. Also, I had my LA engine out today, and this is the first I've had it running since I was changing the fuel line, and I thought I'd just include a quick clip of that. So thanks for watching.